Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450. Under the hood sits a 3-liter turbocharged engine, V6, paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated and vented front seats, heated steering wheel, power sunroof, power liftgate, backup camera, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have heated and vented front seats, as well as power seating, memory seating, and powered windows and mirrors with the liftgate controls down below. Taking a look at these seats, down to the bottom left is the power lumbar, and we can hop inside. Just to the left you'll find the power park brake and lighting controls, and just to the left of the steering wheel here you'll find the telescopic steering as well as the heated steering wheel. Taking a look at the steering wheel, on the left side is our cruise control, and on the right we have our Bluetooth as well as volume controls. Here is the cluster, and taking a look at the infotainment screen. Starting off with our audio, it comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We also have the maps and navigation. And throwing it in reverse, here is the surround vision and the backup camera. Just below that we have a ton of vents. Below that are the climate controls. Down at the bottom, wireless charging pad, 2 USB plugins. We have two cup holders, sorry. And in the middle, our infotainment screen control pad, as well as a couple different options. And taking a look at the center console here, popping that open, you have a ton of storage space with the USB-C plug-in in there as well. Here's the rear view mirror. Just above that, SOS, as well as dome lights and the power sunroof controls. Here is the sunroof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. We have black mirror caps, chrome door handles with keyless entry, and privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back. Of course, at the back here we have the Mercedes logo, GLS 450 just to the left there, and we can pop it open. Have a good amount of storage space back here. To the right and left, you'll notice some power controls to drop the second and third row of seats, making a ton of extra storage space. Not to mention we also have hidden storage down below that houses the spare tire. It is a very spacious rear, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. We have heated rear seats, as well as power seating. Power window down below with some storage and cup holder space. And we can take a look at these seats. Popping inside, back of each seat we have magazine holders. In the middle are rear vents, rear climate control, down to the bottom USB-C with a 2-prong outlet, some extra storage there as well. Up top we have handles paired with a dome light and the rear vents matched on the other side, and in the middle we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with some extra storage and 2 cup holders. We get a great view of the power sunroof, and here's a view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton